So, you're starting a business. What do you need to do? First, you need to decide what kind of business you will be. Will you be a sole trader, a partnership, or a limited company? Being a sole trader is a great way to start if you're a one-man band. Most sole traders just need to let HMRC know they have started self-employment. They need to keep hold of their business receipts, invoices and bank statements. They then need to record everything on their self-assessment tax return each year to submit by the 31st of January. A partnership is very similar to a sole trade. It can be a good choice when two or more people choose to start a business together. A limited company is a separate legal entity to its owners. It can offer you more protection as you have the reassurance of limited liability, and you generally won't be held personally liable for company losses. There are also tax advantages to being a limited company. Everybody's circumstances are different, so you should always take advice from an accountant before setting up a limited company. The downside to a limited company is the extra administrative and accounting responsibilities. As well as preparing accounts to send to Companies House, you will also need to send a confirmation statement each year and complete a corporation tax return for Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs. Each director of the company will also need to complete a self-assessment tax return. There are other business structures which could be suitable for you, such as a limited liability partnership or a public limited company. Always take advice from an accountant if you're not sure what to do. If your business is going to employ people, then you have a number of responsibilities. You must make sure that you are paying at least the national minimum wage. You also need to provide your employees with a contract within 2 months of them starting work. Every time you pay an employee, you have to give them a pay slip, make a submission to Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs, and pay any tax due. An accountant can help with this. You may also need to provide a pension to your employees. If your business has an annual turnover of £85,000 or more, you will need to register for VAT and charge it on your sales. VAT can be complicated because there are different rates depending on what you are selling, and different VAT schemes which could save your business money. Talk to an accountant if you think your turnover could be as high as £85,000. It is important to think about how you will do the bookkeeping for your business. You may be able to do it yourself if your circumstances are simple. However, it may be easier to ask an accountant for help. There are lots of different software packages available, and your accountant may be able to get you a discounted rate on a software subscription. Once you have sorted out the legal structure and accounting for your business, there are other things to consider. Do you want to apply for a business loan? You may want to ask an accountant or business advisor for help when writing a business plan. Think about the different insurances you might need. Employer's liability insurance, public liability insurance, or professional indemnity insurance. Will your current car insurance cover you for business travel? If you handle any private information in your business, you may need to register with the Information Commissioner's Office and pay a fee. Your accounting will be much easier if you set up a business bank account. Most banks offer good deals to startups, so have a look around before you sign up for an account. For help with monitoring the cash flow or budgeting, ask an accountant for help. At Hassle-Free Accounts and Tax, your initial consultation is always free, and there is no obligation to sign up for any services. Get your business off to the best start by emailing Lucy at hasslefreeaccountsandtax.co.uk today.